Hello and welcome to the Electric Wheelers YouTube channel. One of our first videos was about folding electric bike Engwe EP2 Pro. Since the video turned out surprisingly popular and I also liked the bike, I decided to buy another bike from them. Their latest model is C20 Pro. I just received the package from the courier and I'm very excited to see what's inside of it. Let's open the pack together and see how much assembling the bike needs. Alright, so what we have here in the box: front wheel, a halfway assembled bike, seat post and a saddle, handlebar stem, a charger, toolkit that has different wrenches, hex keys and screwdriver, manual for display and the bike itself. I suggest reading the assembly guide. It's quite thorough, but it has some shortcomings. But no worries, with the help of this video you can easily assemble the bike. First of all, let's remove all those cushions on the bike. Be careful when cutting those straps. You don't want to damage any cables. Then let's attach the seat post. You can do it in the last step as well, it doesn't really matter. Now let's attach the handlebar. For me, it took some time to figure out how it should be done. Firstly, just attach the upper part of the handlebar to the lower part. Secondly, you have to unfold the handlebar from the quick release. Then you can see there is a hexagon screw that has to be tightened after you attach the handlebar stem to the bike. Make sure the fork is pointing forward and orient the handlebar accordingly. After that, you can install the front light. Now let's install the front wheel. For that, you need to remove the transportation bolt from the fork. Then I would suggest you turn the bike upside down. But be careful to not damage the display. Next, just attach the wheel in the correct position. Make sure the brake disc goes in between the brake pads. After that, take the quick release skewer. It has a lever, 2 springs and a nut. Remove the nut and 1 spring and insert the skewer from the disc side. Then from the other side, attach the spring followed by the nut. Next, tighten the nut until the lever becomes firm to close. Alright, the bike is almost assembled, but not quite yet. There are still a couple of steps to go. As you can see, unboxing a bike causes a lot of garbage. It would be a good idea to clean it up for a while, otherwise there will be a big mess at the end. Let's not forget to install the pedals. Make sure to install each pedal to the correct side. Both pedals are marked, so you know which one goes right and which one goes left. The right pedal or drive side pedal must be threaded clockwise. Start the threading with your hand and then tighten with a wrench. Repeat this on the left side, but the threading must be done counterclockwise. Good job! Basically, the bike is now assembled. As I promised, it was not difficult at all. You just have to wait until the battery is charged now. Also, adjust braking pads accordingly. Make sure the wheels are running freely and there is enough stopping power. Also, the derailleur may need some adjusting. When I was testing the bike for the first time, I discovered that some gears were off. It may happen during transportation. I took the bike to the local service and they fixed it with ease. They also checked other moving parts. I suggest you do the same. It doesn't cost you a lot, but you can rest assured that everything is adjusted accordingly. Alright, that's how you unbox and assemble Engwe C20 Pro electric bike. I hope you liked the video and it could help someone assemble their bike. If you like to see other videos about this bike, like performance and ride quality tests, please subscribe to the channel so you wouldn't miss out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next videos.